I'm a tea lover, but I never had anything to make tea in, so I always just used the microwave. I decided to level up my tea game and get an actual teapot, but I didn't want just any teapot. I knew I wanted a traditional Japanese cast iron teapot. I did some searching, and I knew when I came across the VUDECO Japanese teapot, it was the perfect one. The thick cast iron helps keep the temperature up and even helps to stretch the tea leaves and intensity of the fragrance and flavor. Not to mention its exquisite design. The black cast iron kettle with the gold traditional Japanese wave and fish scale pattern. Absolutely stunning. The VUDECO Japanese teapot is the perfect gift for tea lovers, friends, or family. So what are you waiting for? Go get yours today.